Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Building a Simple Neural Network in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Neural networks are a fundamental concept in machine learning and artificial intelligence. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through building a simple neural network using Python and the popular machine learning library, TensorFlow. This neural network will be a basic feed-forward neural network, also known as a multi-layer perceptron, MLP. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install TensorFlow. If you haven't already installed TensorFlow, you can do so using pip. Step 2. Import necessary libraries. Create a new Python file and import the required libraries. Step 3. Define the neural network architecture. Define the architecture of your neural network. For this tutorial, we'll create a simple network with one input layer, one hidden layer, and one output layer. Adjust the input _size and output _size based on your specific problem. The ReLU activation function is used for the hidden layer, and softmax activation is used for the output layer, suitable for classification problems. Step 4. Compile the model. Compile the model by specifying the optimizer, loss function, and metrics to be used during training. Choose an appropriate optimizer, loss function, and metrics depending on your problem type, example binary or categorical classification. Step 5. Prepare the data. Prepare your data for training. Make sure to normalize or pre-process the data as needed. Adjust the number of epochs and batch size based on your dataset size and computational resources. Step 7. Evaluate the model. Evaluate the trained model on the test set to see its performance. Step 8. Make predictions. Use the trained model to make predictions on new data. Congratulations! You've built a simple neural network using Python and TensorFlow. Experiment with different architectures, hyperparameters, and datasets to enhance your understanding of neural networks and improve their performance on your specific tasks. ChatGPT.